Hello. Welcome to the video. First, you will want to build something to export into your game. Then, highlight your build. After you do that, go to the right side of your screen and press Export. It will give you a code. Remember it. Then go to Roblox Studio. Now, you have to download this plugin. To download it, go to the toolbox, go into the plugins section and search F3X Export. Make sure the plugin is by F3X. If you haven't already, press Install. Now, go back to Plugins and press on the Import plugin. Type in the code. And as you can see, my build got imported into my game. That will be all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please consider subscribing. It's free and it helps me and the channel a lot. Once again, thanks for watching and see you in the next one.